Hey, what's up guys? I'm going to show you guys how to reset a service light. This is a 2018 Mercedes S560. Some of them are actually different. I saw a couple of videos, but the home was on this side. So this is for the one where the menu button looks like this. Put the key on position 1, push it once, and then the other video I saw, it shows a home screen here, and then it has you press the home in this one. But in this case, it's gonna be the back, push, and then push the middle one. And that's gonna take you to the Assist Plus. And then you're probably familiar with the rest. You'll go down to Assist Plus, switch the ignition to the second position, full service, confirm service, yes, yes, confirm. I'm not gonna do it because I already did it on this one, but that's how you do it on the one that has the home screen on the right side instead of the left. Hope this was helpful.